Hello, everybody. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. So we will go through today's lessons. We will start with reading again today. So again, we're doing author's purpose, why an author wrote a particular passage. And remember, we've talked about PI, P for persuade, I for inform, E for entertain, and then sometimes there's that extra E, which is explain. So you have your story for today, the Mongolian death worm. Okay, so you're going to read about the Mongolian death worm, and then you have 3 questions at the bottom, and you do not have to do the strategy practice today. So then we will go to our vocabulary sheet. And we will review yesterday's word, which was barricade, which means to block off, or a barrier used to block a passage. So barricades used. When might a barricade be used? Okay, when the new park is open? No. While they're building the park, they may have a barricaded off. Traffic is diverted due to a broken fire hydrant. Yes, they would use a barricade in that situation. Anyone may use the parking lot. No, that would not be a barricade. There is a dangerous hole in the roadway. Yes, they would use a barricade there. And the last one says crowds weren't allowed to get too close to a movie set. So yes, they're going to use a barricade for that. Today's word is betray, which means to not be loyal or faithful to. It is a verb. Ken Yu didn't mean to betray Laura's secret when she told Anna. She thought Anna already knew about it. Okay, so when you're not being loyal or faithful, that would be betray. So if you want to pause the video now to do your vocabulary sheet. Okay, next is our figurative language for the week, which is imagery, visually descriptive language. Okay, so whenever something is described in such detail that you can get a picture in your head, that would be imagery. Okay, your math for today is another multiplication page. Okay, and these are times 12. Times 12. So you're going to do all of those problems. That one is a 2-sided sheet. But remember, you're only doing that one side. Okay, you are going to work on your spelling words and sentences. And make sure you're working on your states and capitals for the week. And then your science for today is again about earthquakes, and it talks about different magnitudes of earthquakes and about how many of those there are every year. So you're going to study that chart, and then you have 4 questions at the bottom. So those are your assignments for today. I forgot to mention yesterday that you have a writing assignment for this week, and I did not include any paper in there in your packet for that. So you can do it however you choose to do it. We wanted you to have some freedom with this. So we want you to keep a journal about the COVID-19 outbreak. Okay, so you might include some things about how you're feeling, how things have changed. Talk about we haven't been in school, stores are closed. You might want to put some information that you've seen on the news. It's all over the news. Okay, so this is kind of something that you might want to keep, because what we're living through right now is history. I mean, this will at some point be in history books, and you'll be able to say, yeah, I remember that. I remember the COVID-19 outbreak in 2020. Okay, so it's kind of a big deal. So we want you to kind of keep track of that. And like I said, this is going to be an ongoing assignment. So if you want to make an entry every day, if you want to include pictures, however you choose to do it is fine. So this is just something for you to keep and put away, because at some point you may want to look back and see kind of what went on during this time. So, and then at some point when you have kids, you will be able to talk to them about what all went on and how it changed our lives. So You guys stay safe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.